Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Shillong Medical College ka bementa kalaya chat shakmat banshim ki kelas nak benta ki khna puli doktor haduk menta ka trekam khlem da pli pa ba Ïaka habagran bat Myntri ka tanar ka kot ka khya uba Wailad miki shila hani ka sngi uli thu ba ka Sorkar ka thrang dik ban yo pleno e ka Shillong Medical College khnang ba ki pa ba kina ban ithu e ka jingdan kam jong kani ka jaka puli uli thu ru ba ka Sorkar ka thrang bu Myntri rang ba adu kari Narendra Modi unwan ban pli Ïaka lani lada Myntri rang ba adu kari umlaj Myntri badai pet ya katanat ka kot ka khya jong ka Sorkar Pdeng udai banwan uli thu ba ka Sorkar ka kwa ban pleno ya ka Shillong Medical College kloi kat bala hendai minta kidang up tang ya ka jing benjur jong Myntri rang ba adu ni Myntri katanat ka kot ka khya lanu kin laj por bat ka tarik bat ha ka sngi kin sapli pa ba no Ïaka.
See, because as we, I think, not only you, all of us, we are expecting to see, because this is very one of the, what to say, kind of long aspiration of the people of the state. So that's why we want to do it in a big way. So the people should realize the importance of this. So that's why we are expecting either PM or our Union Health Minister should come and inaugurate. So we have discussed actually a couple of times where they have given us date also, but later on I think something come up, then we have to cancel it. So even now also we are in this discussion that because we want either PM or Union Health Minister what to inaugurate. So we are just waiting for the finalization.
What is the tentative date?
As soon as possible, because we don't want also to delay so much, because as we all know the session is already started. So no doubt we are as soon as possible, whenever they can give us time. We are continuously in touch with them.